Terrified of doing a Brazilian wax yourself? You're not alone, but by the end of this video, you'll feel like a pro. Promise. These 15 beginner-friendly tips will save you pain, time, and money. Let's go. Know the best hair length. Hair to long or to short ruins the whole wax. Aim for 1/4 inch or about the length of a grain of rice trim before waxing. If it's too long, don't wax. Freshly shaved hair. Uneven lengths equals uneven results. Sanitize your workspace. Dirty tools equals irritation and breakouts. Use clean towels and sanitized tools. Disinfect surfaces beforehand. Wash your hands or wear gloves. Have a trash bag nearby for strips or sticks. Choose the right type of wax. Hard wax wins for sensitive skin. Use hard wax better for coarse hair. Avoid strip wax for the bikini area. Look for low temperature formulas. Do a patch test before full use. Heat the wax safely. Hug. Hot wax equals burn risk. Cold wax equals no grit. Use a wax warmer, not a microwave. Stir and test on your wrist first. Should flow. I thick honey. Never double dip the spatula. Get a mirror and good lighting. Hug. If you can't see it, don't wax it. Use a handheld or standing mirror. Make sure your room is well lit. Lay flat or prop one leg up. Stretch your skin taut. Hug. Loose skin equals painful rips. Use one hand to stretch. Pull skin in opposite direction. The wax strip tension prevents bruising, improves wax grip, and reduces sting. Apply wax with the hair growth. Hug. Direction matters a lot. Apply wax in the direction of growth. Use a wooden spatula at 45 angle. Leave a thicker lid for grabbing. Don't spread to thin. Pull wax against hair growth. Hug. Pulling wrong ruins the results. Pull fast and close to the skin. Don't yank up or go parallel. Hold skin taut while pulling. Count down if you need a mental boost. Work in small sections. Hug. Big strips equals big pain. 1 to 2 inch sections are ideal. Handle one small area at time gives you more control, less mess, and cleaner results. Start with the outside, end with the center. Hug. Don't go for the hardest part first. Begin with the bikini line. Then move to upper pubic area. Breathe and relax. Hug. Tension makes pain worse. Inhale before pulling. Exhale after. Play calm music in the background. Take short breaks. Distract yourself with a podcast or countdown. Soothe the skin immediately. Hug. Post-wax care equals fewer bumps and burns. Apply aloe vera gel or calming oil. Avoid lotions with fragrance or alcohol. Avoid these 24-hour don'ts. Hug. What you do after matters just as much. No hot showers or saunas. No workouts or sweating. No tight clothing. No touching or shaving the area. Exfoliate after 2 days. Hug. No ingrowns allowed. Use a gentle exfoliating glove. Scrub 2 to 3 times per week. Helps new hairs grow out properly. Stay consistent and track progress. Hug. Waxing gets easier every time. Stick to a 4 to 6 week routine. Hair will grow thinner over time. Keep notes on what works. Thanks. Don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more.